Production facilities. Florim Factory 4.0, Fiorano Modenese, Italy. A concentration of technology and automation extending over an area of 48,000 square meters of Mapei system concrete flooring. The factory is dedicated exclusively to the processing and logistics of large ceramic slabs. Fredrikstad Seafoods, Fredrikstad, Norway. The largest onshore salmon farm is located in Fredrikstad in Norway. Mapei helped waterproof the tanks with PurTop 1000, the ideal product for coating storage tanks, and with MapeiCoat DV, an epoxy membrane used to protect concrete. La Bamba Project Dam, Cusco, Peru. This plant is used to store waste material from the extraction of copper at one of the largest copper mines in the world. Mapei helped waterproof the dam with the supply and application of Mapei WT membrane. Cañaveral Sewage Water Treatment Plant, Cali, Colombia. Cali is the third largest city in Colombia with a population of more than 2 million. The treatment plant, which processes 85% of the city's water, recently underwent renovation work. For restoration work on the 8 concrete storage tanks, Mapei supplied several tons of mortar from the Mapei range and PurTop 1000 to carry out waterproofing work. Canalicchio Wine Cellars, Montalcino, Italy. Located in surroundings rich with biodiversity and spectacular countryside, it has been a UNESCO heritage site since 2004. To carry out extension work on the cellars, products supplied by Mapei include Keraflex Maxi S10 to install ceramic and Kerapoxy CQ to fill the grout lines.